Well, here we are today, Cynthia, in front of 9306 Hot Springs Road.
Okay.
And as you can see, we've already started doing some things, but the seller has just moved out of the property, and this is going to be a rehab project with our investor partner. And we're going to have quite a journey ahead of us, but we're going to transform this little house.
Well, it quite sounds like that. I know this was my first time here, but I've been listening about the project for quite a while. So you want to tell me a little bit about what the plans are?
Sure.
Because I see, there is some stuff, looks like it's already happening, and
Yeah.
I've been in the house briefly, but tell us a little bit about what's going on.
Sure. So the first thing we had to do was get the shrubbery removed from the side of the house here, because we do have a fumigation tent going on today, and the fumigation work and the wood pest repairs work are requirements before getting the loan closed. So then once we get that loan closed in about 10 days or so, then we'll be able to start in earnest on all of the rest of demolition and rehab, both inside and out. So it's going to be about a 10-week project.
Oh wow! And what kind of rehab are you looking at doing?
So it'll be a full rehab. All of the kitchen bathrooms are going to be demoed. All new flooring. We're going to do a few architectural changes inside. I think there'll definitely be improvements and definitely be things that will add quality of life to, based on, smart TVs, smart houses, all of that. So we're going to be improving the electrical, improving the plumbing, all new furnace, all new air conditioning, all new roof.
So it'll not only be better than it is today, it'll be better than it ever was.
Exactly. It's going to be almost a whole new house by the time it's over with.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So I know you talked a lot about the trees. I don't know if you guys could see them. So tell us a little bit about what's going on in the backyard and the trees, and you can see them from the top.
Yeah. So from where I'm standing right now, we're about 3 miles maybe north of where the Holy Fire took place in the Cleveland National Forest, which is the backdrop here. It's a gorgeous area here in Temescal Valley. However, we have way too many trees on this property. We've got this beautiful oak tree right here in the front yard that is going to be salvaged. That's it's a California live oak. There's absolutely no way that we would get rid of that. But we do have a lot of eucalyptus. We've got these 2 palm trees here, and we've already been able to line up guys that are going to come and get that wood, take it out, and use it for firewood. Eucalyptus makes great firewood. There's a couple of pine trees back there, and then we've got a lot of debris that we need to haul out of here just to be able to make sure that the property is not a fire trap and sound that way. So I think we're going to end up salvaging 3 eucalyptus trees and the oak tree, and everything else is going to go.
And we are not talking about small trees here. These trees are huge. So
they're about 55 to 60 feet tall. Yeah. So that'll be an interesting video. We'll definitely shoot a video to show that process.
Absolutely. That'll be a good one.
Yeah. So, and we have been able to find people, again, like I said, to haul the wood away and use it for firewood. These 2 palm trees are actually going to go to a local avocado grower who lets them dry out and then mulches them for organic mulch for his avocado trees. So we're trying to reduce, reuse, and recycle as much as we possibly can. Yeah, so that's the beginning of 9306 Hot Springs Road. A lot of before, during, and after videos that we're going to be showing and sharing with you along the way. So anyway, thanks for coming out today and helping me.
Sure.
Cynthia spent 3 hours helping me clean out the kitchen cabinets, and this will be fun.
Well, I look forward to seeing.
I won't have you do anything else. Except maybe, help pick some paint colors or something like that.
I can do that. Yeah.